Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, I have a small TEMU haul for you. I actually bought these items last November and kind of set them aside while I was doing my Christmas videos and then just forgot about them. So I will have to go back on the website and check to make sure these items are still available, and I will put the correct price or the current price somewhere on the screen for you guys. So let's just get into it. The first items I want to share with you are these trees, and I believe there was 4 colors, and I think the fourth one was red, but at the time only these 3 colors were available. Here's the green one out of the packaging, and these are about 13 inches tall, so they are a little taller than a Ken doll. And you can see there are some variations in the color, so there's a light green and a dark green, and the back is flat. So from the side, you can really tell. But I kind of like that about it. And the branch part of the tree is brown and there is some texture. And with the back of these being flat, I kind of like that because I can fit them in corners or just lean them up beside the building. And with my backdrop that has trees already, I think that this will add some dimension to those scenes. So I really like these. And here's the white one. So it's all one color and it looks kind of cream on camera, but it is pretty white. And there's the branches. So it's the same height as the green one. And here's the third one. It is more of a tan color. On my screen, it looks kind of orange on the camera, but it is not. And I think this one is going to be really good for fall. And something else that I'm thinking I can do with these is if I don't want to make a tree out of them, I can just bend this or just take the stem off and make them into a bush. So I think that could work. The next thing I got was this pull. I think it is a drawer pull, but I'm going to use it in another project. Okay, this is packaged twice. I think I'm going to use this as a door knocker. So here's a close-up of the lion. I thought this was really neat, and I think this came in several different colors also, but I thought this brass color was really nice, and it is a bit large for 1/6 scale, but that's what I was going for. I wanted something really dramatic. So this is for a future project that I'm going to be making a door for a upcoming building. Next, I have this pail, and this came in 2 different designs. And I got this one. You can see it has little handles on the side and they move. I just thought it was a cute decor item. You can put flower arrangements in it or do whatever you want to with this little thing. So very cute. Next, I have these hinges, and these also came in a silver. So you get some screws, and I thought these hinges were the perfect size for a 1/6 scale door. And they do work. So yeah, I thought that would help me when I build doors or really anything that needs a hinge, you can use these for. And I bought the coffee maker. And now that I have this, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in my current kitchen because it doesn't match the colors in there that I've decided to go with. But it is still a very cute miniature. As you can see, this comes out. It's just really, really cute. It has all of these little details, like a button right there on the side, a power button, and the little spout. Yeah, it's really cute. And I got a vase or a vase. And I thought this was really pretty. I can just see a flower arrangement inside of this. I think it's a good scale for a Barbie. And it would probably be more of a 1/12 scale item, but I think this could still work with a Barbie. And I have 2 packs of these wine bottles. And now that I think of it, this entire haul is actually 2 separate orders that I made because I remember getting the second pack and thinking, oh, I already had one of these. Completely forgot I had previously ordered one. So, yeah. So let's see if I got any duplicates. So I only have 2 duplicates. I'm really surprised by that. There were 5 wine bottles in each packet, and these are Alto del Carmen. I think that's what it says. And you can see the top there is burgundy. It has like the little seal on the top, and they are hollow. I don't know if you can tell, but I think they're a good size. Here's another one. I'm not sure what it says, but the label does look really nice. And I got this one. And this one says Armenia wine, Champagne Maxine. Has a little lady dancing. I can't read this label. And here's another one that I can't read. And this one says Condoli Morini. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is the last one. I can't read the letters on this one. And here's one of the bottles with a Barbie. The scale is slightly small, but I think it can still work. And I got some wine glasses. Here's one of the glasses out of the packaging. And I knew when I ordered these that they were going to be way too small for the Barbies, but I wanted to use them for display and to represent. It's not, I don't think it's whiskey that goes into the smaller glass, but is it bourbon? It's a really tiny glass and it's not a shot glass. I don't drink, but I've seen the little glasses, so I don't know my drinks very well, but I always thought those little glasses were cute. And here's the doll holding the glass. So you can see it is pretty small. She cannot get very much to drink in this glass. And next I got some plates. So I got these white plates, and you get 5 in a pack, which is just odd to me. Why wouldn't they just send you 6? But I got 5, and I thought these was a good size for the dollhouse. And these are a good size for the Barbies also. And I might order some more of these because I think these came in different colors. And I did order some cutlery. So you get 4 forks and 4 spoons. And I got the silver color, and it also comes in gold. And I knew these were also going to be too small for my Barbies, but I thought they would be cute appetizer cutlery. And I hope you can see the details on the handle. Here's the doll holding the fork. So it is a little bit small, but I think I can get away with it. And I just used sticky tack for her to hold it. I thought these earrings shaped like ice cream cones would be perfect for the dolls. So you get one, which I'm going to call vanilla, and it's more of a soft serve. And you get a chocolate one, which is more of a hard served ice cream. And there is detail on this chocolate one. And the cones have detailing on it. I'm hoping I can just twist this out. I'm just twisting it, and it is coming out pretty easily. Yeah, I think these cones are a perfect size for the dolls. I will have to touch up the top of the chocolate one where I took out the screw. And I got these two chairs. I thought these would be perfect for a Chelsea doll. And these do stack on top of each other. So I have some of my Chelsea dolls sitting in the chair, and I do wish they were a little bit shorter, but I think I can work with this. And this little boy is on an original Chelsea body, and this little girl is on a Zoe body from Five and Below. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.